Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Chromebook keyboard not working issue in a quick and simple way. If your keyboard is unresponsive, first restart your Chromebook to clear temporary glitches that may be causing the problem. Once it turns back on, try using the keyboard again. If it still doesn't work, perform a hard reset by pressing the refresh key and power button together for a few seconds. Next, check if any keys are physically stuck or dirty and gently clean the keyboard. Now go to Settings, open Device, then Keyboard Settings, and make sure everything is configured correctly. You can also try using an external keyboard to see if the issue is hardware related. If the problem continues, update your Chromebook software to the latest version. Finally, power wash your device as a last option, and the keyboard should start working normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.